Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Camry radio. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery to prevent electrical issues. Finally, make sure your new radio, along with any necessary wiring harnesses and mounting brackets, is easily accessible for installation. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now let's remove the old radio. Begin by using a trim removal tool to carefully pry off the dashboard trim panels around the radio. Work slowly to avoid scratching any surfaces. Once the trim is off, you'll see 4 10mm bolts securing the radio. Unscrew these bolts, then gently pull the radio forward. Disconnect all the wiring harnesses and the antenna cable from the back of the unit. Set the old radio aside. With the old radio out, it's time to install the new one. First, connect your new radio's wiring harness adapter to the vehicle's existing harnesses. Ensure all connections are snug and correct. Next, attach the mounting brackets to the sides of your new radio. Carefully slide the new radio into the dashboard opening, making sure not to pinch any wires. Double-check all connections before pushing it fully into place. Before fully reassembling, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on your car and test the new radio thoroughly. Check all functions: radio, auxiliary input, Bluetooth, and sound quality. Once you confirm everything works perfectly, carefully reinstall all the dashboard trim panels. Make sure they snap securely into their original positions for a clean finish. For other great deals, including a fantastic lifetime warranty on socks, check the links in the description below. Enjoy your upgraded audio system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.